In front of me is Lenovo Tab M8 first generation, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock on this tablet. First of all, go into Settings. In them, you need to scroll down to access Security section. Now scroll down again. Click on Screen Lock and tap on the best login method for you, pattern, PIN or password. After that, you need to create it. Then tap on Next at the bottom right corner. Now repeat it in order to confirm it and hit Confirm at the bottom right corner as well. Lastly, answer the question by tapping on one of those options. How do you want the lock screen to display your notifications? Show all notification content, show sensitive content only when unlocked, or don't show notifications at all. I will go with sensitive content only, so I have to click on it and tap on Done. So now when I switch off my screen, then turn it back on, I can see that pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!